Welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. Today we're going to talk about how you can do basic fraction problems just by visualizing the fractions. We saw how we could graphically add them in a previous video. So today we're going to talk about how to subtract them. And actually, it's really helpful to do it graphically. Let's start with something simple. Let's look at 1/2 minus 1/4. That one's the easiest one. We got a half and a fourth. We're going to cross off part of that and the same amount there. So that's just 1/4. Let's take 7/8 minus 3/4. All right. So we got 7/8. 1, 2. So we have 7/8, and we're going to subtract off 3/4. So for every one of these we have to cross off 2 of these. 1, 2, 3. We have 1/8 left. So let's look at a couple more. We've got 1 and 1/4 minus 2/3. Okay, how does that work? We've got 1/4 minus 2/3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2/3 out of this one. And then we have to add 1/3 plus 1/4 to get the answer. Saves a lot of time with borrowing. So we got 4 12s plus 3 12s equals 7 12s. There's our answer. Let's do another one of those. 2.5 minus 3/4. That's an easy one. 1, 2.5 minus 3/4. Take the 3/4 out of here. We take this fourth and we stick it on that. We have 1 and 3/4. Let's finish with a more complex one. Let's do 3 and 2/9 minus 1 and 1/3. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to cut one into 9 pieces. This is going to be challenging for me. There we go. 9 pieces. We want 2 of them. 1 and 2/9 minus 1 and 1/3. All right. So the 1, we can just cross off a 1. There, we're done. Now we've got 2 and 2/9 minus 1/3. So we'll take 1/3 of one of these and we'll subtract that off. So what do we have left? We have 1. That's pretty obvious. And we have 2/3 plus 2/9. All right. So we need to divide each of these by 3 and then count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 1 and 8/9. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.